If you've been trying to run Adobe Flash Player in a browser on Windows 11, there's one very important thing to know right away. Adobe Flash Player was officially discontinued and blocked by Adobe in 2021, and modern browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox no longer support Flash Player officially. So if you're looking for a way to open older Flash content, the safest and most practical option is to use an emulator instead of the original Flash Player. In this video, I'll show you how to use Ruffle, which is a Flash emulator that helps you run older Flash content inside your browser. This is a simple and beginner-friendly method, and it works well for many Flash-based websites and files that still need to be viewed today. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate your support. Alright, let's jump into the steps. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser settings and options. Next, hover over Extensions in the menu. A side panel will appear, and from there, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome extension store, where you can safely search for browser add-ons. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, use the search bar and type Ruffle. Ruffle is the name of the Flash emulator we're going to use. When the search results appear, look for Ruffle Flash Emulator. Make sure you select the correct extension so you're installing the right tool. After you open the Ruffle extension page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking for permission to add the extension. To continue, click Add Extension. Give it a few seconds while Chrome installs the extension. Once it's finished, Ruffle will be added to your browser, and you're now ready to use it with supported Flash content. Now when you visit an older Flash website or open compatible Flash content in your browser, Ruffle can help emulate it so the content can still run without the original Adobe Flash Player. This is especially useful if you're trying to access old games, animations, or archived educational content that was built with Flash. Just keep in mind that not every Flash file or website will work perfectly, because Flash is no longer supported natively. But for many older pages, Ruffle is one of the best and safest ways to get started. So to recap, Flash is no longer officially supported on Windows 11 browsers, but you can still view some older Flash content by installing the Ruffle Flash Emulator from the Chrome Web Store. Open the three dots menu, go to Extensions, visit the Chrome Web Store, search for Ruffle, select Ruffle Flash Emulator, click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.